Dave, now we are at the Taiwan Agricultural Show.
Yeah.
Are you excited about it?
I'm very excited. Let's get into it.
Let's go.
Come on, follow us. You can see all the popular tractors we have in Taiwan. The King is here at the front, the T-Series.
It's suitable for any terrain,
Sure.
any
2255
operation.
in beautiful colours.
And you can also see the A115. We decorated with some stickers.
Sure. Fantastic tailoring around this wheel. Well done, Marco. N-Series tractor, which is the most popular tractor in Taiwan for Valtra.
N 系列啊，201匹马力，非常适合任何的工作环境跟工作条件。Dave, you also mentioned from the presentation, you said N series are the best seller in Asia.
Totally. Absolutely. For the whole of the Asia, the N-Series is the most popular Valtra.
And you also mentioned N175,
Yes, over there.
up to
N175.
201 horsepower.
201 horsepower boosted.
Wow.
Over 200 horsepower with such a short wheelbase allows for really good steering. Very
Compact.
lightweight, compact, still with multiple transmission options, high-tech, active, versus, direct, with all the sophistication of Smart Touch. For iStar stand, we have the Smart Touch display.
Wow.
It helps learning, it helps education, and it helps explain the product to the customer.
我们可以透过这个 training case 啊，了解更多，而且让客户实际去使用看看，去体验我们这个 Smart Touch。
TV is here because we've been doing some fantastic presentations. We've been telling all our wonderful Valtra customers about all the new products and all the history of Valtra. So we've put on some excellent presentations, translated simultaneously into Chinese by my able-bodied friend here.
It's so important. I think our customers get to know more about Valtra.
Absolutely. We're going to be able to offer customers a large range of merchandise, t-shirts, sweaters, jumpers, filters, PTO shafts, all sorts, hats, bags, toys, toy tractors, ride-on tractors, model tractors, scale tractors.
Can you see our sunglasses? And you can see Valtra 10 years unlimited.
10 years unlimited. How cool is that? Very, very tailored solutions for customers.
各位，那就是初步的介绍一下我们今年的嘉义农机展，记得按赞、订阅、加分享，就可以收看我们更多宝马曳引机的资讯哦。Thank you, David.
Thank you. It's a big pleasure. Bye-bye. See you at the show.
See you.